Welcome to Assessing and Protecting Industrial Control Systems. This course will guide you through creating a robust OT environment to secure your operations. I'm Marcel Rick-Cen, an OT and IIoT security consultant with a master's degree in automation engineering and over a decade of hands-on experience. I created the highly acclaimed course Practical Industrial Control System Penetration Testing, offering participants a unique view of the vulnerabilities of OT devices. In this follow-up course, we will shift our perspective to mitigate those vulnerabilities and focus on protection techniques. At the end of this course, you will understand the challenges of OT security and know how to efficiently mitigate them. After a short introduction to operational technology focused on cybersecurity, you will set up your virtual lab. Then you will encounter the core exercise, the OT assessment of a fictional client's cookie factory. You will then document all your findings and then learn about risk assessment and threat modeling, shifting your perspective from an end user to an adversary. This enables you to quickly identify potential threats. With that knowledge, you switch to protection techniques, focusing on strategies for system hardening and network security. And finally, I'll share deep insights with you on OT device evolution and the individuals working with this technology daily. I designed this course for newcomers shifting into OT security who want to understand keystone actions to ensure secure operations without pursuing full certifications. Watch the free preview videos now and enroll when you're ready. I'm looking forward to having you as a participant in assessing and protecting industrial control systems.